Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to start with an eyeshadow primer, just like what Kathleenlights did. Okay, I'm watching her video here.
Please use, and then I'm going to jump into the palette and I'm going to use this bone color to kind of set down the...
Yes, just doing the other side. It's just so amazing. I don't know if I am doing this right. I'm not an expert in makeup. Just blending and keep on blending.
And then I'm going to go into this little mustard fella right here.
Here I am, just copying everything. Moving on to the next shade. Oh, look at that green color. This shade is so beautiful and so pigmented. By the way, I am using the brush from Sleek Makeup. Can you see the color clearly? Because I don't have a ring light yet. I don't know either if a ring light could make a difference. I hope that you still like this. I tried my best. I'm watching her again. I'm going to use this LA Girl gel liner. I'm sorry I decided not to use any primer. Why? Because I'm going to review about setting sprays after this video. Let's move on to foundation, but I'm going to use my all-time favorite BB cream. For concealer, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade number 20. Oh, I do not have that RCMA powder. I am going to use this prime primer from Banila ko. I do not have this green eyeliner, so I'll just skip this. Fast forward to falsies. I'm so sorry, I also skipped the mascara. Ako lang ba yung ayaw mag-mascara kapag gagamit ka naman ng falsies? Comment down below kung nakaka-relate ka sa akin. I will only use one product for my contour, blush, and highlight. I'm using the lip liner from Etude House, Soft Touch Auto Lip Liner in the shade number 2. For lipstick, I am using this L'Oreal in the shade Beige Couture. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me. Click the thumbs up if you like this video. Feel free to leave comments and don't forget to subscribe, my friend. Bye! Stay pretty. Love from AJ Masangya.